The engine must not be running to send a map to the bike. The CCU only stays powered for 2 minutes, so you need to be ready. Have the map you want to send on the Power Tuner mapping details screen. Bump the starter motor to power up the CCU. Jump to the settings Wi-Fi screen on your phone. Make sure your phone is connected to the Power Tuner network. It might take 10 or 15 seconds to reconnect. Some devices will say no internet connection. This is normal. It means you are connected to the Power Tuner Wi-Fi, but not to the internet, which is correct. Jump back to the Power Tuner app and tap the Send icon. Tap OK on the Send Map prompt. Select Map 1. On iOS devices, it just says 1. Tap OK. Map 2 is not usable on this model. You should get a succeeded to send message. Tap OK. If you get a fail to send message, make sure the Power Tuner Wi-Fi is connected, the engine is not running, and that the battery has a good charge. The date and time the map was sent is filled in automatically by the app. On the main screen, you'll see a gold box noting the map that is currently loaded into the Map 1 location. And this is important. This gold box is the only method to know what the current settings are. Do not edit this map after you've loaded it into the ECU. There is no indication on the bike to determine the FI ignition settings. If you edit a map after you've loaded it into the ECU, you really have no idea what the current settings are, unless you download the map and compare, which is not really convenient and can take time you might not have before a moto. If you want to edit a map that's currently loaded into the ECU, make a copy and then edit the copy. You can use the notes to document your updates or version changes. If you want to reset the mapping back to factory stock, send a 0 map to the ECU. Tap the plus sign to get a new blank map with all zeros and send this map to Map 1. If you have a map open to the mapping details screen, you'll notice the receive icon next to the send icon. The receive icon will not display if you have one of the 3 sample maps open, though. The receive function downloads the current map from the ECU to the Power Tuner app. A word of caution here. Do not have a map that you have built displayed on the mapping details screen when you tap the receive icon. If you do, the map will download from the CCU and overwrite the map that is currently displayed. The Power Tuner app will not prompt you to overwrite or save. If this was a favorite map, you just lost it. If you want to download a map from the unit, go to the main screen first, tap the plus sign to create a new blank map. Tap the new map to go to the mapping details screen. You should see the new blank map. Now bump the starter motor to power up the CCU. Jump to the settings and Wi-Fi screen on your phone and make sure your phone is connected to the Power Tuner network. Jump back to the Power Tuner app and tap the receive icon. OK on the receive map message. Choose Map 1. Tap OK on the map received message. The downloaded map will be displayed, but notice the name is not changed. You can rename the map and add notes. Tap the back arrow to return to the main screen. The map is now in the list. Now if you don't want to keep this map, tap and hold, or on iOS touch and swipe left, then tap delete and OK to confirm.